Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Truck Creation Designs and M&J Original Boutique. Okay, y'all, so today I'm coming to y'all really quick to show y'all how to make a African print fabric earring. So here are the items. Just trying to get myself situated, y'all. Here are the items that you will need for this here DIY or how to make. So you're going to need some, of course, you're going to need some scissors to cut your fabric. You're going to need a glue gun. You're going to need your choice of fabric. And this is the choice right here. And I have already cut my piece out, okay? You're going to need some 12 gauge aluminum wire or whatever wire you have. This piece is about 9 inches long. This is my disc that I use to trace my fabric. So I use this. This is a 4x4, okay? Now, you don't necessarily have to use this size. You can use something a little smaller if you don't want the earring to be, this earring isn't going to be big because it's going to be a certain step that I do that's going to really actually change it, okay? So the 4x4. So you're going to need some wire cutters, round nose pliers. This is a wood bead. This is about 24 millimeters. And this is a gold wood bead that is wood, but it's been painted gold, okay? You're gonna need a fish hook and a button. So let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing that I did, y'all, was I traced my fabric and I cut it out. And then the next thing you wanna do, okay? Now you have to decide on how you want your earring, the way or the design that you want your fabric to look on your earring. So basically what I'm going to do is I want mine to be like this. But what you want to do is you want to go to, it doesn't really matter which side you start on. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to come down to the bottom and I'm going to hit it. And if you hear somebody talking, that's people outside. Then you hit it with some glue like I'm doing right here. And then you're going to fold it in half. So you're going to fold it over just like this. Okay. Fold it over. All right. Just like this. And when you fold it over, this is pretty much what you should have. Okay. Now, once it dries, your next step is you're going to go inside. Sometimes this glue gun can really give you a run for your money. Wait a minute, y'all. Hold on for 1 minute. Okay, y'all. So the next thing you want to do is you want to take your piece and you want to just take it and do like this. It's going to be like a little pleat, just like this. And you want to do that on both sides. Okay, so it's, like I said, this is going to change the look of it. So this is pretty much what your earring is looking like. And you want to kind of sort of just, you want it to be even. Okay, so this is what you're going to have. So the next thing you want to do is you want to take your wire, and you're going to take your wire and you're going to take your wire and just push it through just like this and pinch it just like this. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is you want to keep pinching it just like this And you're changing the actual shape of your earring, okay? And that's what you're gonna have. And whatever side you want facing you, it really doesn't matter, because the look is going to be on both sides, okay? So I'm just gonna go in and pinch it, and then all right, so this is basically what you're going to have once you do that, okay? The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your button and you're going to slide your button down just like this. And you want to try to slide your button. You want to really try to get your button down as far as possible on your fabric, okay? And then you want to take your bead and place that over both pieces of your wire. The hole is really, really big, y'all. So you want to try to push this. You want to try to get that down as far as you can get it. Okay? So this is what you're going to have. And then you're going to take one piece of your wire and pinch it down, and you're going to start wrapping it around your other piece. So you just want to take your fingers and start wrapping it around just like this. And you want to go around about 4 times. So you want to just keep wrapping just like this. And this is pretty much what you are going to have. Now you want to take your wire cutters and you want to snip this off just like that. And you're going to pinch this piece over, and I always come down to my index finger a little bit, and I'm just going to snip it about right there. And then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and go in and squeeze it to give it some indentation. And I'm going to make a loop just like this. Okay. And this is what our earring is looking like. And last but not least, I'm going to take my fish hook and I'm going to add my fish hook on. Okay, and here you have yourself a gorgeous pair of earrings. Now this one was my prototype. So I always do a prototype before I actually make the actual earring, the DIY. So here we have it. And these are very, very lightweight. You can do this, of course, design in any fabric. Any fabric that you have, you could probably do this. If you have denim, you could do it in denim. The sky is the limit, y'all. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say, for those of you who are new, if you like what I do here on this platform, please subscribe. And the very first time to this here platform, please make sure that you subscribe by hitting the all bell button that is on the side, so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for watching. I want to say thank you to my new supporters and my super supporters. And once again, y'all have a wonderful and awesome day and have a beautiful week, my beloved kings and queens. Until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.